Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show how to make macaroni salad simple. We'll go through each step to create a delicious and easy side dish that's perfect for any occasion. First, we'll gather our ingredients, then cook the pasta just right. Next, we'll whip up a creamy dressing and combine everything for a fantastic flavor. Finally, we'll chill it to perfection, ensuring every bite is wonderfully refreshing. Let's get started on this classic recipe. To begin our simple macaroni salad, let's talk about the essential ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of elbow macaroni, which forms the hearty base. For the creamy dressing, gather 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. For texture and flavor, dice 1/2 cup of celery and 1/4 cup of red onion. Don't forget 1/4 cup of fresh parsley, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper to perfectly season your salad. Now let's get cooking and combining. First, cook your elbow macaroni until it's perfectly al dente, which usually takes about 7 minutes. Once cooked, rinse the pasta with cold water to halt the cooking and cool it down quickly. In a large bowl, whisk together the mayonnaise, apple cider vinegar, sugar, salt, and pepper to create your creamy dressing. Then, gently fold in the cooled macaroni, diced celery, red onion, and fresh parsley until all ingredients are thoroughly coated and mixed. The final, crucial step is to chill and enjoy your delicious macaroni salad. Cover the bowl tightly with plastic wrap and refrigerate it for at minimum 1 hour. This chilling time is essential, as it allows all the wonderful flavors to meld and deepen, creating a truly harmonious taste. Before serving, give the salad a good stir and taste it, adjusting any seasonings if needed. This simple, creamy macaroni salad is now ready to be the star of your next picnic, barbecue, or family meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.